Hey there, law enthusiasts! Ever wondered if that lease agreement you're staring at is actually a lease or, surprise surprise, a security interest? Let's break it down. First off, it's all about the specifics of each case. You see, security interest is like a safety net for the lender when you borrow money. It's kind of like giving them permission to take your stuff if you can't pay what you owe. Whether a transaction in the form of a lease creates a lease or a security interest is all about the facts. Let's dive in to get some clarity. A transaction in the form of a lease is actually a security interest if the payments you make are for the term of the lease and can't be terminated by you, the lessee, but it doesn't stop there. There are a few more conditions to consider. First, if the original term of the lease is equal to or longer than the remaining economic life of the goods, bingo, it's a security interest. Second, if you're obligated to renew the lease for the remaining economic life of the goods or become the owner of the goods, it's a security interest. Third, if you have the option to renew the lease for the remaining economic life of the goods for no extra or nominal charge, you guessed it, security interest. And finally, if you can become the owner of the goods for no extra or nominal charge upon complying with the lease agreement, then it's a security interest. Let's put this into context. Imagine you lease a piece of equipment, and the lease term is 5 years. If the equipment's remaining economic life is also 5 years, the lease is essentially for the entire useful life of the equipment. That's a strong indicator it's a security interest. Or let's say your lease agreement includes a clause that you must buy the equipment at the end of the lease term. In this case, you're essentially paying to own the equipment, not just to lease it. Remember, the critical part is the inability to terminate the lease combined with one of these conditions. If you can terminate the lease at any time, it's generally considered a lease, but if not, and any of these conditions apply, it's likely a security interest. So next time you're reviewing a lease agreement, keep these points in mind. It's not just about the wording, but the actual economic realities of the transaction. Understanding this can make a huge difference in your legal analysis and future practice. Got any questions or scenarios you want to discuss? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more legal insights. Until next time, keep those legal minds sharp. Thanks for watching.